How to get high converting video ads for dropshipping. Now, my name is Elias, and in today's tutorial we are going to go over two different methods on how to actually get high converting video ads for your dropshipping products. So first off, we are going to use TikTok for this. Now, for the first method, I would recommend you to actually open up a burner TikTok account on which you will basically have to train your account to only see other dropshipping related products, like I for example did right here on my account. As you can see when scrolling through this, all of the different videos that I'm going to see are going to be from fellow dropshippers. Now basically the upside of this is that you are going to see what other dropshippers are going to do. Now basically the downside is that you don't really know if this is actually going to convert when you're going to use this for your video ads. Now basically, as far as how this works, you will just have to open up a new TikTok account, and then you will have to look for stuff like, for example, TikTok made me buy it, and then you will actually have to interact with these videos so that then TikTok actually thinks that you do want to see these dropshipping related products on your For You page. And then once you do this for 10 to 15 minutes, you are only going to see dropshipping related products. Now, as you can see, I'm quickly going to go on my For You page right now. As you can see, this is also going to be a dropshipping product right here. However, in my opinion, this sadly isn't a 100% reliant way of finding winning video ad formats, because for example, if you're going to run your product on Facebook, obviously the video is going to be completely different, and also you don't really have the insights if these videos actually are going to convert for them and so on. So rather, I would actually recommend you to use a tool like Viral E-Commerce, for example. I will leave you the link for this down below. As you can see, quite big names like Sebastian Georgia, for example, or like Hayden Bowles, AC Hampton, and so on already have used them in the past. Now basically the upside of Viral E-Commerce is that they know what they're doing. They've already made over 50,000 video ads for their customers. They're proven to convert, and they've already generated over $30 million in revenue for their customers. So as you can see right here, they do have plenty of proof for that. Now they do also have different kind of products depending on your interests. For example, let's quickly open up the video ad packages. As you can see right here, actually Viral E-Commerce even offers a split testing ad package, which obviously is super good if you do want to split test different kind of ad variations to find the best converting one and to then overall lower your ad spend. Also, they do provide UGC ad packages. So if you do want to create UGC content for your brand, you can do so with this pretty affordable package right here. Now, as far as the other video ad packages go right here, basically they do differ depending on the platform that you're going to promote your product on. For example, they do provide Snapchat, TikTok, as well as the normal split testing ad package right here, which would then be used for example, Facebook. Then they also do have a story ad package and so on. Now they also do offer image ads, but we're not going to go into this right now. As for the video ads, let me quickly open up an example for you guys to give you guys a better idea on how this is going to work.
Are you tired of the same old hair routine? Check out this incredible heatless curling headband.
Or let's for example look at this one.
Have you ever seen those mesmerizing LED light painting and wondered how it's done? The secret's out. It's the light painting. Unleash your creativity. So
as you can see, overall super good stuff. They're super high quality, and basically these video ad packages are proven to convert. And I would also recommend you to actually get the split testing ad package right here, so that you can actually split test your ads to actually lower your overall ad spend. Now, as you can see, the prices right away are pretty affordable, only $60 for non-members, and for VIP members only $15 right here. However, I will also leave you my special promo code down below, Krause, which will then give you an additional 15% off all of your orders. Now let's quickly look at this VIP members package right here, because I think this actually is a no-brainer if you do want to take dropshipping serious. So as you can see, they do kind of offer a VIP membership for only $50 a month, which will actually give you a lot of different basically discounts and features. So as you can see, they do offer 75% of all video ad packages. So if you are going to test a lot of products, this probably is a pretty good choice, as you will then actually get video ad packages at quite a big discount. As you can see, one split testing ad package right here on the left would now only cost $15, one TikTok split testing ad package only $12, and so on. Then basically they also do deliver on weekends with this package right here. And you're also going to get a 24-hour video ad delivery. Now, by default, the delivery time of viral e-commerce is actually pretty great. So if you're going to open up this one right here, for example, as you can see, the delivery is going to be in 1 to 3 business days. Now, you are also going to get unlimited revisions with this, and the overall ordering process is super simple. You will just have to place your order, submit the form of your product, and then you're going to receive your videos, and you can then actually also put in any revisions that you want. Thank you for watching. If you do want to check out viral e-commerce, make sure to do so with the link down below, and make sure to use code Krause at checkout to save you some money.